So over here for the text, if you want to go ahead and format it, then what you can actually do is you can use Superscript, Subscript as well as necessary. For example, if I were to type in S2O right here, let's say for example for the water symbol, the water chemical formula, then I want the 2 right here as a subscript, meaning I want it to be small and down. So to change it into a subscript, I can go ahead and select this 2 right here and then click on the 3 dot button and click on the first button right here, which actually brings in the subscript. Let's say for example, now another thing that I have is, let's say for example, mathematical formulas like a square plus b square. Let's say for example, in that case, I want the 2 to be squared out, meaning I want it to be superscript. So I'm going to go around over here and select this one right here. And you can see the superscript option right here, just like this. Apart from that, you may want to add in a background color to the text. So to do that, you can click on the 3 dot button right here and then go to change text background color and then simply add in a background color. The entire box right here that you have, you can see the background color changes for it. Or you can go to custom and choose a particular color that you wish that you want to apply as well. So simply go ahead and select it right here and that color will be applied right here. Or you can go ahead and add in the exact color code as you want as well and press done. You can change around the opacity right here of the particular background color as well. And then if you were to click on save, this is what you have. So let's just go around over here and click on save and this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with Superscript, Subscript and background color inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.